Here's the big news, ladies and gentlemen. A radar plane in the sky, silent, high above the clouds, but watching everything. Welcome to Times XP. And the United States has reportedly begun monitoring Iranian military movement, and that too from Turkish airspace. Yes, from Turkey. And you know what? That changes the entire equation in the Middle East. An American AWACS surveillance aircraft, the Flying Radar System, it was seen operating out of Turkey. Its mission? Track Iranian troop activity, map air defenses, and study missile deployment, all in real time, by the way. This is not a fighter jet, not a bomber. Well, it is a flying command center. It sees far beyond normal radar. It can monitor aircrafts, missile launches, and ground movements. And when it circles near the border, it is not sightseeing, it is intelligence gathering. And you know what is the focus this time? Iran's western frontier. A sensitive zone, though, strategically very important, militarily active. So, here's what it means. First of all, this signals coordination between Washington and Ankara, because you cannot operate such high value surveillance aircraft without any permission. That means the government of Turkey is involved here, or at least they are aware, and that alone raises eyebrows. For years, Turkey has walked a diplomatic tightrope, balancing ties between NATO and regional powers, maintaining dialogue with Iran. But now, allowing a US surveillance flight that monitor Iranian forces? That sends a message, subtle but powerful. Is this preparation for strike or just precaution? Well, here, military analysts say that it may not mean war is imminent, but it does mean that contingency planning is underway. You don't map air defense until and unless you want to understand them. You don't track missile sites unless you want options. And options, it means leverage. In the meantime, diplomacy has not officially collapsed. Talks are still discussed. Negotiations are ongoing. Public statements remains measured, but behind the scenes, the intelligence game is accelerating. Imagine the scenario here. Washington wants updated battlefield data, real-time troop movements, fresh radar signature, missile readiness pattern, and this AWACS flight, it provides all of that. And that too without firing a single shot. This is modern warfare before warfare. I see first, action later. Now ask the bigger question, ladies and gentlemen, how does Tehran see this? Now from Tehran's perspective, surveillance flights near its own border, it is not neutral. They are signal that they say, we are watching, we are mapping, we are preparing, just in case. And yes, in tense moment, surveillance itself, it can trigger reaction. Is Turkey really betraying Iran? Well, that depends on perspective. From Washington side, it's alliance coordination. From Tehran side, it could look like encirclement. Geopolitics is really black and white. It is layers. It is in trust, calculation, and right now, no missiles are flying. No airstrikes are confirmed, but intelligence aircrafts, they are active. Naval forces remain deployed. Political pressure continues, and that combination, ladies and gentlemen, is volatile. Is it World War III? Wait, it's too early to say that, ladies and gentlemen, but the chessboard is clearly active, and when surveillance flights, they expand quietly, it means the planning stage is very much alive. The skies over region are not loud, but this time they are busy. And sometimes in geopolitics, quietest moments are the most serious ones.